Dating can be complicated, but when you add kids into the mix, things get even trickier. How do you balance romance and parenting? When do you introduce your partner to your children? And how can you make sure everyone feels comfortable? Today, we're breaking down the do's and don'ts of dating when you have kids. First things first, there's no rush. Your kids' emotional well-being comes first, so take your time getting to know someone before bringing them into your family life. Experts recommend waiting at least 6 months before introducing a new partner to your children. Kids pick up on more than we realize. Be upfront about dating in an age-appropriate way. For younger kids, keep it simple. I'm going out with a friend. Older kids might need more openness. Just reassure them they're still your priority. Not every date will be a good fit for your family. Pay attention to how they react when you mention your kids. Do they respect your parenting time? Are they patient? If someone seems pushy or uninterested in your role as a parent, that's a major red flag. When it's time to meet, keep it low pressure. A quick ice cream outing or a park visit works better than a long dinner. Let your kids interact at their own pace, no forced hugs or big expectations. Juggling parenting and dating is tough. Use schedules wisely, maybe date during school hours or after bedtime. And remember, it's okay to say no to dates if your kids need you. Kids might feel jealous or worried. Check in with them. How do you feel about me dating? If they're upset, reassure them. They need to know they're not being replaced. If things get serious, have a talk with your partner about their role. Will they help with parenting? How do they handle discipline? Getting on the same page early avoids conflicts later. Dating with kids isn't easy, but it's doable. Go slow, communicate, and always put your kids first. What's your biggest dating with kids challenge? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest parenting tips. See you next time.